Hi guys, Shep from Laser Tools here. In this week's episode, I'm going to be joined by one of my other tech band colleagues, Kevin. Kev? Oh, there you are.
Oh, hi Shep. I'm Kevin from Tool Connection. I cover the M62 corridor and predominantly the north of England. So we've got a few products to go through with yourselves today. Stay tuned to find out more.
So guys, the first items we're going to look at today are coil spring compressors. Kev, over to you.
Thanks, Shep. So we're going to talk about our spring compressor here. Every single cup, every single spring, you're going to hold it in 3 locations at the top, 3 locations at the bottom. Every arm is independent and fully adjustable to your different springs and cups. You've also got the bottom support arm there. Very simple operation in regards to using the foot pedal to open and close. The main feature about the spring compressor is the safety cage. Enclosed all the way around as well as above. Very simple to open and close it.
So the second unit we have here, guys, is fundamentally the same. It still has all the adjustability of the first one, but now we have a twin piston which allows a 2.2 ton compression ratio as opposed to the 1.6 ton with the first unit. Now it features a wraparound cage which securely fastens at the front. Also secure across the top and a lot longer in length than the previous one for more heavy duty struts. Both of the units are fitted with a secondary air valve. This is used for setup purposes. With the cage open, it will only operate at 50% of its capacity. So we have to shut the cage to ensure full compression pressure is ready to be used. For our next item, I'll hand you back to Kev.
So the next product I'm going to go through is taking off these exhaust hangers. So most people, they're either using a crowbar, they'll try screwdriver it out, burn it out, or even get Mike Tyson to bite it out. So this product here is perfect to just push it straight out. Pop it straight in, get the angle correct, and push it, and that releases the exhaust hanger. Very simple but effective, and every mechanic should have one in his toolbox.
So while we're talking about exhaust systems, let me introduce you to our heat induction kit. Within the basic kit, we have our heat inductor gun, which is unique in design. It's a pistol grip design and it is made in the UK. Also within the kit, we have 2 pre-wound coils, 17 and 19 mil, and our universal rope coil. This is for use where we can't get on with one of our coils. In addition to this kit, we also have our pre-wound coil kit, which has 8 pre-wound coils in it, covering up to 45 mil in diameter. The other 3 coils we have sat here are also pre-wound, but now are flat. And these are designed to go into alloy wheel recesses. So let's set it up and take a look at it in operation. So first of all, we select one of our pre-wound coils, the correct size for the job that we want to carry out. The coils should always be just larger than the size of the nut or bolt that we want to heat up. This prolongs the life of the coils themselves. So, select the coil, insert into the gun, tighten up the securing screws securely. We are now ready to go. Let me show you on this exhaust fixing just here. We activate the button and we hold it on for around about 15-20 seconds, which is normally ample. By that time, there's a lot of heat got into the element of the fixing already. This unit, incidentally, is one of the highest powered handheld units on the market at the current time. It has 1500 watts of output. If we just look up here now, this fixing is glowing red. Also, if we want to get it into a difficult to access area, we can also bend these into position to allow us to do so. So if we've got a job where we can't get on with our coils, we could use our flexible wraparound coil. Let me show you on this track rod. So we take our universal rope coil, wrap it around the track rod in this case, just a couple of times to create our coil. We then make sure it's fairly tight and we can connect our heat inductor gun and heat up the area required. As with every special tool, please read the instructions before use. Right Kev, back to you.
So during demonstration days, we tend to get the question asked a lot: what's the correct timing tool from a vehicle? This is only a small selection of timing tools that we do. They're all manufactured at Eldon Engineering in Sheffield, UK. So I'm going to quickly show you how to find the correct timing tool for your vehicle. All you need to do, grab your mobile out, go onto our Tool Connection website, which is toolconnection.co.uk. If you scroll further down, there's a section called Tool Point. All you need to do, select timing tools, tool point, and from there you've got two options. Number one, you can either search for your vehicle by registration, or number two, you can select it by manufacturer, model, engine size, and also the year.
So guys, the final product we've got to show you today is brand new into the Laser Tools range, and it is this portable vacuum box. This will extract 7 litres of fluid within one charge, but overall capacity is 11 litres. Let me show you how it works. So within the kit, we have our charging venturi, which we connect to our vacuum box there, plug in our air line, open the tap, and now we can charge the unit up to 0.7 bar, which is roughly around the end of the red line on the scale. So once the unit is charged, we have 3 attachments. Pipe number 1 attaches to our unit. We can use that for going straight onto a diesel pipe for etc. Or even if we wanted to do an oil extract with the unit, we can insert the hard tube inside that one like that and go down a dipstick tube to allow us to do a complete oil drain. If we want to do a brake fluid change or bleed brakes, we can now attach our bleed siphon attachment to allow us to do that also. To demonstrate the vacuum within this unit, we'll just show you with this glass of water. Simply put the pipe into our fluid, open our valve, and very quickly we've extracted all of the water from the glass. Once our unit is full of fluid and we want to drain it, we simply open the top tap, open the bottom tap, and gravity will empty the fluid from the unit. Cheers. This is a very versatile, portable unit which is great for extracting all manner of fluids from around a vehicle, whether it be diesel, brake fluid or engine oil. But please do not use it on petrol. So guys, that's all we have time for today. Thanks for joining me this week, Kev. Stay connected.
Stay safe.
Hey, that's my line. Stay safe, everybody.